Sleep is essential for our physical health. It is during sleep that our body repairs and regenerates, and our immune system is strengthened. Lack of sleep can lead to a variety of health problems, including obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and stroke. Sleep is also vital to our mental health. It is during sleep that our brain processes information and consolidates memories. Sleep deprivation can lead to irritability, mood swings, and depression. There are many sleep problems that people face, including insomnia, sleep apnea, restless leg syndromes, and narcolepsy. These conditions can have a significant impact on a person's quality of life, making it difficult to function during the day and leading to a feeling of fatigue and exhaustion. Insomnia is perhaps the most common sleep pattern, affecting millions of people worldwide. Now, despite the many advances in technology, Western medicine still doesn't fully understand the mysteries of sleep. Scientists and researchers continue to study sleep, looking for new ways to improve our sleep quality and duration. On the other hand, Chinese medicine has a long history of using natural remedies to treat sleep disorders. It is believed that when the body is out of balance, it can cause disruption in sleep patterns. The goal of Chinese medicine is to restore balance to the body and the mind, which can help promote healthy sleep. As we get deeper into the course, we will take a look at a variety of Chinese medicine techniques to help restore healthy sleep patterns and improve the overall health of the whole body, physical, mental, and emotional.